This is Nicky's first time on the ice ever. And as you can see, he kind of took to it like a duck. On water, of course. Look at the scoreboard. You're doing real good, Nick. Whoa! Careful! You okay? Give me the thumb. Awesome. Let's do it. Kiwi hockey, here we come. We haven't been on the ice for 30 minutes yet. Well, 35 minutes. And we're already skating unassisted. Having a good time. Attaboy. There you go, bud. There you go. Attaboy. Nice stop. Nice turn. Keep going, bud. You're doing good. Good catch. Whoop, whoop. Careful. Attaboy. Whoa! Good one. Nice save, buddy. Better your knee than your head. Attaboy.